Imagine one machine doing the work of 50 people, harvesting fields in hours instead of weeks, and producing more food than ever before. This is not the future. This is happening right now in modern agriculture. Today, we are going to explore how farming machines are changing agriculture forever. Welcome to Yield Stream Global, where we explore the future of agriculture, farming technology, and global food production systems. If you are interested in how the world produces food in smarter ways, this channel is for you. For thousands of years, farming was done manually. People used simple tools, animals, and human labor to grow crops. It was slow, exhausting, and highly dependent on weather. But in the last 50 years, agriculture has changed completely. Now we have powerful machines that can plow fields in minutes, plant seeds with precision, irrigate automatically, and harvest crops at massive scale. This transformation is called modern mechanized farming. Let's look at the machines changing agriculture today. First, tractors. Modern tractors are no longer simple vehicles. They now include GPS systems, automation, and precision control. They reduce human effort and increase productivity dramatically. Second, harvesters. Harvesters can cut, collect, and process crops in a single operation. What once required hundreds of workers can now be completed in just a few hours. Third, agricultural drones. Drones are used to monitor crops, spray fertilizers, and detect diseases early. They help farmers save time, water, and money. Fourth, smart irrigation systems. These systems deliver water exactly where it is needed and when it is needed. This reduces waste and improves crop yield. These machines are not just tools, they are changing the entire agriculture system. Now farmers can grow more food with less land, reduce labor costs, and improve crop quality. In countries like the United States and the Netherlands, a small number of farmers can feed millions of people. This is only possible because of advanced agricultural technology. Modern farming is also helping solve global food challenges. As the world population increases, we need more efficient food production systems. That is why countries are investing in automation, AI-based farming, smart machines, and precision agriculture. The future of farming is no longer traditional. It is fully technology-driven. So, the question is, will traditional farming survive in the future? The answer is, it will evolve. Farmers who adopt technology will thrive, while others may struggle to compete. If you want to understand the future of food, farming, and agriculture systems, make sure to subscribe to Yield Stream Global, because the future of farming has already begun.